Hey there, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of flawless eyeshadow application? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm Solmaz, and today I'm going to show you how to apply eyeshadow like a pro, even if you are a beginner. We are going to talk about the most common mistakes in eyeshadow application, but don't worry, we'll show you 3 simple steps for applying eyeshadow correctly and using brushes effectively. Harsh lines in eyeshadow are sharp edges between colors that aren't blended smoothly. It is best to achieve a seamless transition without any visible harsh lines. Patchy eyeshadow happens when the color looks uneven and splotchy due to insufficient blending, which can take away from the desired look. So remember to choose the right brush and blend properly for a smooth and seamless transition. Mismatched colors in eyeshadow refers to using shades that don't go well together, resulting in an unbalanced or disjointed look. It's important to choose eyeshadow colors that complement each other to create a cohesive and harmonious eye look. These mistakes are common and there is no reason to be discouraged about them, and I'm here to guide you on how to improve your techniques. It's time to learn how to apply eyeshadow in an easy way. Step 1. Use a medium tone, neutral or light eyeshadow as your base shade. Step 2. Shimmery light eyeshadow or a matte shade to the crease area. And the final step, dark matte eyeshadow for added definition. As you know, the color intensity I used is close to each other and their combination creates a beautiful look. Here you can better distinguish the pigmentation and colors of the eyeshadows. Well, to apply eyeshadow, you should use a brush specifically designed for that purpose. I suggest using a blender brush for applying the eyeshadow base and a flat fluffy brush for blending. However, personally, I use a flat fluffy brush because I find it easier to blend the eyeshadow with it, especially if you are a beginner. I have chosen my desired brush and dip it into the eyeshadow. Don't forget to tap off any excess. I apply the eyeshadow base all over my eyelid and gently blend it. Please note that typically a neutral and light eyeshadow is used as a starting point. However, I add a bit more eyeshadow all over my eyelids to achieve a more beautiful effect. I use a foam tip eyeshadow applicator for applying shimmery eyeshadow. Additionally, you can use your fingers to apply shimmery eyeshadow if you prefer. Alright, I dip my brush into the shimmery eyeshadow and starting from the inner corner, I apply the eyeshadow in tapping motion from the base of my eyelid to the center. This classic eye makeup look is very natural and suitable for daily wear, including everyday makeup and special occasions. As I mentioned, I only bring the eyeshadow halfway across my eyelid and I repeat the same process for the other eyelid. And also, if you follow the step-by-step tutorial, you will see good results. I use the shimmer eyeshadow on the inner corner of my eye as well. For applying dark shade, I use a large soft cut crease brush. This part of applying eyeshadow is very exciting and completes your eye makeup. And once again, dip your brush into the dark eyeshadow and tap off any excess. I apply the dark eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyelid and near my lash line, creating several spots of eyeshadow. Then I blend those spots to create a smoky effect. Please note that you should only use the brush to blend in a sweeping motion out the outer corner of your eyelid and avoid sweeping the brush across the entire eyelid. One common mistake when applying eyeshadow is mixing all the colors together on the back of the eyelid, which can make the eyeshadow look muddy. However, you can also use a blender brush to blend it if it is easier. If I want to make the color darker, I repeat the same process from the beginning and blend it. I perform the same process for my other eye. I'm using the same brush and applying the light eyeshadow that we used as the base. I'm going to apply it to my lower lash line. Alright, I'm going to fully blend my lower lash line with the base shade. Then I use the dark brown eyeshadow and apply it from the outer corner of my lower lash line and blend it towards the center. And here is the classic and beautiful eyeshadow look. Eyeliner and mascara are essential for enhancing the beauty and impact of eye makeup. So let's start with eyeliner. Certainly, I have found using tape makes it easier to apply eyeliner, especially for beginners. Trim a small section of the tape with scissors and you can attach it to the back of your hand before applying, which will make it less sticky. Align the tape diagonally from the outer corner of your eye towards the end of your eyebrow. The angle and length of the tape will depend on the desired eyeliner shape and wing. So I draw the line from the outer corner of my eye and continue it until the middle of my eyelid. Additionally, if desired, you can extend it to the beginning of your eyes. Gently remove the tape and you will have a clean and flawless eyeliner. Well, now it's time to apply mascara. You can use false eyelashes as well. Apply mascara to your lashes gently, being careful not to smudge your eyelid makeup. You can use a smaller mascara wand for your lower lashes if available, and repeat the same process for the other eye. And this is the final eye makeup look. Thank you for watching the video so far and I hope it has been helpful to you. You can achieve this eye makeup in less than 10 minutes, making it suitable for both daily and special occasions. If you think this video can be useful to your friends, please share it with them, and to support me, please like the video and leave your comments below. I post makeup tutorial videos every week, so if you're interested in makeup, you can subscribe my channel so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. Thank you for being with me and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.